Okay. If the mass of cylinder C is 40 kilograms, determine the mass of cylinder A in order to hold the assembly in the position shown. So, inahanap dito yung mass ng cylinder A. So, let natin yung mass B, M. So, since dito siya nakasabit sa point E, dito tayo mag-focus. Ito yung center. So, yung mga force na nag-act dyan is yung weight ng A. Then, dito may horizontal force dyan. Yung tension, DE. Then, itong tension ng BE. Since let muna natin yung tension BT. Okay. So, since itong tali na to, dito siya nakarugtong dire-diretso dyan. Yung tension na yan, equal siya sa weight ng C. So, T, yung tension, equal siya sa weight ng C, which is 40 times 9.81. Okay. Then, T is equal to, calculator lang natin, 392.4. So, ito na, okay na. May tension na tayo. So, summation tayo ng forces along Y. Equate natin siya sa 0. Okay, so ano yung vertical component nito ng tension T? Meron siyang horizontal. Okay. Then yung vertical component niya is T sine, ano yung angle? 30 degrees. Then ano pa yung force? So, packet yan, di ba? Then ito, yung weight ng M minus M times 9.81 equal 0. Then ano yung tension na natin yung T? 392.4 sine 30 degrees is equal to, lipat na lang natin, M times 9.81. Then solve for M. M is equal to 392.4 sine 30 divided by 9.81. Then M is equal to, calculator lang natin, 392.4 times sine 30 divided by 9.81. Therefore, M is equal to 20 kilograms. So this is the mass of cylinder A.